So is this what it's come to now, eh? Well, we didn't get the Torino. We did even better. We think it's better, anyway. I don't know, man. I smell winter beater. Dean, take me away. There. That's the spirit. This or I was going to have to buy that 54 Plymouth over there.
I wanted you to say, oh, I got to have this so
Well,
bad.
this moves some projects forward instead of just filling up my yard. Looking good. Maybe an inch that way. Yeah, looking really good. Straight. Couldn't be better. That is perfection.
Nice driving. Yeah, go up just a bit. Oh my God.
Hey, that's a sweet pea, eh? It's another great day at the office. Yeah, that's an interesting and.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks for allowing us to.
Oh, hi there. Hi there, I missed you too. Hi, Bun.
So boring.
Boring mom, boring dad. Oh, boring dad's back now. Oh, what a good girl. So?
It doesn't look so bad, eh?
It's not too bad, no. This,
That's not a Gran Torino.
but this is not the car we went for. Yeah. No, we got there and we're like, this is garbage. Like we talked to the guy and we're like, can we make a deal on a different car because this is not worth picking up. So Ash made a deal on this car, and this will be the engine for the Torino.
Please don't judge me.
This will be the engine for the Torino.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's more or less a parts car.
Well, that looks lovely inside as well, eh? The dash and everything.
Yeah, it's an XR7, so it has the tachometer and big engine and whatever. But you know, it's rusty old beater.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
Judging by the mouse poop collection.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you.
Well, I mean, there's a lot of good parts regardless. And
Off.
get rid of all that nonsense. You don't need that stuff.
750 double pumper. Oh, it's a Holly anyway.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, it's not nearly as rotten as the last one. Like that has potential to go.
There's a fair amount of
Rust? Mouse shit?
mouse shit for sure.
Yeah, alright. Okay, well,
Hey, we
first
like that,
thing,
don't we?
first
Like
thing
that?
is a battery, I guess.
Oh yeah? We're just gonna go
Well,
for it?
I mean, otherwise we don't have to do anything else. We can stop spraying the carburetor if it's seized. Fair
I'm
play.
gonna get something warmer.
All right, ready for the Hail Mary? Just see if it turns. If it goes rrr, we'll dump some gas in it.
Got buzzing. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Not a good sign.
Go. Yeah.
Try it again.
Well, if you want. This battery's good, so I think she's done. It did not move a tiny bit.
Well, let's get a bar on it. No?
Oh, sure. Yeah, it's your funeral.
Or do you think it's done?
Well, I mean, it's not...
You saw nothing? You saw...
Well, unless it bumped the first time, but the next couple times it didn't move any further. So, and that sounded like the starter's definitely trying.
Yeah.
Okay, looks like starting up the Cougar is not going to happen, but perhaps.
What?
It looks like starting it up and going for a drive isn't going to happen.
Oh, isn't it?
No.
What happened? What happened to our judgment today?
Yeah.
Be specific.
The old empty trailer routine.
Did we get duped again?
Well, I don't know. Did you get a rebuildable core for what that's worth? I don't know.
So,
I mean, and then again, what are we talking about here? If this car was worth 500, 600, or 900, or 1,000 at the end of the day, and the overall scheme of this gigantic, life-ruining shit show of a project, like, okay, you're a couple of hundred over budget, you know, fair.
if we left it on the trailer and scrapped it, what would we get? Would we get 500?
455, yeah. Well, I mean, still not breaking even.
Well, we got a sweet Holly. So, okay. We didn't get much. But
well,
if
I don't
a guy
know.
wants
What's
cruise control-
bargain finder money on? I guess it's what is all the bracketry? Like, what's the core worth?
It's the time.
$300.
It's the time to find
Yeah,
all
you don't have to
these
find all
things
that. Yeah.
that we need. How's our brakes?
The brakes, I'm sure the brakes are good. Oh, no, keep hitting. Or pry it or something.
What?
What?
The discs in the front are wicked. Look at that.
The back's not empty either.
Okay, things are looking up.
Yep, we're probably good.
Okay,
Yep,
we got the Sweet powered by Ford valve covers.
those are sweet.
Yeah.
Yep,
We got our AC.
yep.
I don't know.
Do you think maybe the Mexican pill impaired your judgment?
The Mexican painkillers maybe took the edge off of your judgment, you think?
I actually feel amazingly good.
Yeah, I bet, yeah.
nice,
Well, that's the black market magic.
I got about 6 left.
Oh, yeah. Saving them for special days, eh?
Okay, so here's what we need to decide. Do I make it Steven's problem
Yes.
today? It's on the trailer, it's loaded up.
Yep.
Or do I pull the engine, transmission, radiator, and then literally haul it away and make it nobody's problem?
I guess that is a question of, do you want the rear control arms? Do you want any of that shit?
It's a good point.
Do you want the whole frame?
The floors?
It's a good point. The floor's no good.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm happy to dig a little deeper.
Power seat, dude. It's
I
got
know.
power seat.
No, I know.
Power windows. You gonna give her a few more cranks?
No.
Courtesy cranks?
No.
Let's see if the wipers work.
We're gonna see if
The windows and the wipers.
We're gonna
and-
see if the power seat works.
Oh, nice.
So where do you want to be? You want to be at the fun part, or you want to hold the battery?
Oh. No, I want to be at the fun.
Oh, we got.
Let's see. Oh, you got tilt. Oh, yeah.
Why isn't it going back?
Because it's...
Oh, the battery just shit the bed. Here, you'd be at the fun part. I'll be.
Okay.
Nothing on the seat?
Well, I got the same on the seat. Oh, there it goes. It's
It
moving.
working?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, go all the way back.
Yeah,
Sweet.
goes all the way back.
Okay. Let's try that. Windows?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we got both windows. Well. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Hey, you're probably scratching the glass.
I hope so.
I hope so.
I'm surprised at that. That's a quality piece. And they even park nice. Look at that. We got the remote mirrors, dude. Remote sport mirrors, look at that, it's still working.
Really?
Yeah, and both windows work. Like, I won't scratch it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they're probably the same. It's probably the same glass.
Huh.
Tilt.
I mean,
Tilty. Tilt wheel, dude. It's got to be worth a couple of dollars.
I would run that in the old Torino. Hey?
It'll bolt right in. So,
Okay. Okay.
you know, things are looking up.
Things are looking up. Well, I can't lie. I am a little disappointed.
A bit sad that because now that it doesn't run, it's a bit more of a challenge.
No, for sure. So it just needs to go leave our life, which means it needs to get stripped and go away. That's what it means. If we were pulling the motor, would we pull it here?
Another great day at the office. You're a sad
Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. I need help.
You need
Somebody
help.
help me.
Help him.
Isn't there?
We need an intervention here.
Yeah, right. How did this happen?
What's going on? I got up early for this. Straight back. Are we gonna hit that Plymouth? Okay, straight back, buddy. Another 5 feet. Yep, call it there. Nicely. Yeah, you were just gonna hit all this. There's an engine there. I didn't want you hitting that.
Yeah, good.
Okay, that's it.
Easy.
Easy. Easy. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.